Sir, in Delhi, in New Delhi, the MP quarters of the government buildings is costing 4,000 by the PWD. Sir, the material cost is high here. Sir, I want the House to have, please listen to this important point. It is costing 4,000 per SFT. PWD department, we have collected the data. I am ready to place the data on the table of the House, sir. 4,000 rupees plus is the cost. All the aggregates are high. The sand is high. The crusher thing is high. Everything is high, sir. And what is happening, sir? In Amravati, they have called tenders for 55,000 crores, sir. I will tell you an example. Per SFT cost for more than 1 crore SFT they have called. Per SFT is 12,000 plus. How can Delhi, the government is doing it, the government here in central government is doing for 4,000 and the same building, same thing with cheaper material they are doing for 12,000 rupees plus. 8,000 rupees is the difference per SFT. It's the highest in the country, sir. It is loot of public money, sir. You see, sir, 1 crore is more than 1 crore SFT. If you're spending 8,000 extra, where is this money going? That is why Mr. Ramesh is shouting, sir. He never opened his mouth for BJP. He is coming here for the contracts, sir. That is why he abused us. Sir, one more thing.
Please,
Sir,
please.
Sir,
That will be
I
on.
would like to,
That will not be on record.
sir. Sir, I would like to.
Midun ji, please. Ramesh, आप बैठे. Please. आप बैठे ना. Please don't make any personal allegation against the members. That will not be on record. No. That is not fair. That is you can criticize the government. You can criticize the government. Not make any allegation against the members. That is not good. That will not be on the record. Please withdraw the comment. Yeah, that's why. Already the chair has observed. That is not fair on the part of a member making a personal allegation against a member. You can criticize the government, but this is unfortunate. Please withdraw the comment, please.
Sir,
That will not be on record. That will not be on record.
sir, what?
No, need not.
Sir, if you think I have made a personal record and it needs to be removed from the records, a personal remark and it needs to be removed from the records, though it is the truth, I
No,
totally
please.
go with the chair, sir. I totally go with the chair.
Yes.
Sir,
No.
Sir,
Let it complete. Let it complete.
sir, there is no rule that you can give the same person second time. Sir, when Mr. Chandrababu Naidu swore in as Chief Minister, sir, he spoke of the capital of the state. He officially declared that the area near Tiruvuru will be, as a CM, sir, he made a statement. He officially declared that area near Tiruvuru will be the capital of the state. Sir, he officially made a remark. In the meantime, they bought lands in Amravati for 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, sir. They bought thousands of acres.
Now, Krishna, when your turn comes, you can counter the argument.
And
No
after
problem.
they bought the land, then they shifted the capital to Amravati. Then he said Amravati is the capital, sir. This is insider trading. For 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees, they bought the land and now it is costing crores. This is the whole concept of Amravati. That is why he is after this, sir. They are not bothered about Polavaram. They are not bothered about special category status. They are not bothered about the funds of the state. Only they want ratification for Amravati. This is not fair, sir. This is not at all.
Love Krishna,
fair.
you can
This
counter
is
when your
not,
turn comes. Please wait.
Sir, and
Nothing will go on record
And-
except the
sir,
observations
they were
of
talking
Mithun Reddy.
about 3 capitals, sir. I would like to clarify on this. I want the House also to hear, sir. They are talking about 3 capitals. Sir, they are talking about 3 capitals. I would like to say that it is a concept which they need to understand. It is not pumping the whole money of the state into one place. The whole state needs to be distributed. The whole state needs to be
Minister, please.
decentralized, and development should happen throughout the state. That is the concept of it, sir. The BJP officially put a Rayalaseema statement, sir. They made a statement in Rayalaseema saying that Kurnool will be the second capital. Then after alliance, they went. It is officially on record, sir. It is on record. It is on record, sir. Then they went there. Sir, I would like to say that, sir, there are countries. There is South Africa. There is Netherlands. There is Georgia. There are various countries in the world which follow this policy, sir. They have a capital, but they want to develop the other places also. So they have a multiple capital things. And if they are not able to understand this whole thing of developing the whole state, then we can't do anything, sir, because they are so, their focus is so much centered around the lands in Amravati, so they can't understand this concept of developing the whole state, sir. Sir, this just putting the name and bringing it to Parliament is of no use, sir. We want our concerns, the farmers' interest to be protected. The amount in this bill, the amount what we require for Amravati, the land, what you are going to do, what is your plan with definite timelines, and we want this camp to be proud, sir. This bill in this present state is no use to the people of our state. So we oppose this because we oppose this bill in the present form. Though we are not against Amravati or any other part in the state, though we are not against Amravati or not, we are against this bill in this present form, sir. We are against this bill in this present form, and we are going to make a walkout, sir, because this bill is hopeless and there's nothing in this.
Thank you. Shri Dharmendra Yadav ji.
धन्यवाद सभापति जी।